Assalamualaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to install Docker on Windows 10 machine. So let's start. So open your favorite browser and type Docker download. The first link you can see is the official website of the Docker. That here you can click on that and it will start the download. So I only download for the time saving purpose and just need to go to the same directory and open setup and run that. Docker.stop installer. Click on yes. It will open up the installing prompt. Click on OK. So it will start uh, the unpacking of the files. So the current version I'm installing right now is 4.3.2, 4.32.0. It will take a little time. I'm pausing video here. So, so right here, Docker is the installation is complete, and with that close and restart entity must be processed. So I will restart, and our Docker is processing.